Alright, this is going to be a real quick video. We're going to go over the rules when you multiply or divide numbers and when you get a positive as an answer or when you get a negative as an answer. And it's going to be a little bit different than when you added or subtracted integers, and it's real important to know the difference. Okay, you can put this down. Basically, here's the main rule. I think this is even easier to remember in these rules than adding or subtracting. If you multiply or divide numbers and you have the same sign, meaning you are multiplying or dividing two positive numbers, you get a positive. If you multiply or divide two negative numbers, the negatives cancel out and you still get a positive. If they're different signs, you always get a negative for the answer. So if you multiply a positive times a negative, you still get a negative. And if you switch the order around and they're still mixed, you still get a negative as an answer. So this is stuff you should know. All the numbers that you see here, 1 through 8, it's all mental math. Really the only thing that it's testing you on is if you get a positive for an answer or if you get a negative. And just to do a couple, if I did this, I'd mix signs. I have different signs. So I know my answer is negative, and then 2 times 6 is 12, so negative 12 is the answer. Okay, number 2, I'm dividing. Again, I have different signs. I have a negative divided by a positive, so I'm going to get a negative as an answer. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Okay, for number 3, there it is. It's the same sign. It's this case. If I'm multiplying two negatives, I'm going to get a positive, and 5 times 6 is 30, so that's my answer right there. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do anything else. But that's the main thing. If you have the same sign, multiplying and dividing, you get a positive. If you have a different sign, multiplying and dividing, your answer is a negative.